Just like when you order fried chicken or a burger, French fries will always come along with your meal. It's the same in animation. An anime's plot wouldn't feel complete without deep staging psychology, which works alongside, just like a new paired couple. The same goes for diagonal composition, which often appears unnoticed, just like how you naturally drink water when you're thirsty, without having to ask yourself, "I'm thirsty now, so should I run or dance instead?" Of course, you'd just drink the water right away if you're thirsty. Just like in this scene, they're placed in the foreground, but since their size doesn't exceed the top third in the rule of thirds, your focus naturally shifts back and forth between them and the frog dragon in the background. Yeah, it's kind of like food taxes. If the tax is higher than the price of the food, you'll probably end up paying more attention to the tax than the food itself. A close-up showing trembling feet like this can even make your own skin crawl, especially if the studio's wallet isn't thick enough to afford multiple establishment frames in a single scene. A sufficient budget is like telling your crush, "Honey, I'm here for you. Don't worry."
ここ安全地帯なんです。動かないで。
When else would you meet a girl named Nicola, but who's never driven a Tesla? Yes, this girl's name really is Nicola.
私は村の宿屋で働いてるニコラです。
Besides showing her face just to stay exist, this kind of introduction positioning makes Nicola look more humble. Well, you know, politicians during campaign will always acting low-key and trying to look smaller than the people they want to impress.
僕は羽賀と言います。
羽賀さん？